Hi, this is Mike at OnPoint. Does your company spend a lot of time recreating information in Excel? I'm going to show you one example of an area that we run into way too many times with clients that are on Sage 300 CRE, and hopefully this is going to be helpful for you and save you some time at your company. So around the areas of compliance, whether it be vendor compliance with specific things around subcontracts or specific to jobs, did you know that in Sage there are specific reports, and here I'm going to go to an example of a compliance report that is job specific. Now I'm in the construction sample data, and I'll put in this particular job 03-001, and I'm only looking for outstanding or for expired items here, and I'll hit print preview. And the nice thing about this example, let me get my screen to fit here for you, is this little guy is showing only what's outstanding here. And you can see that for this particular job, I've got some compliance items around vendor insurance. Let me pop back out of this screen. I've got some specific things around vendor insurance that I'm very interested in collecting. And then I'm also seeing lien waivers around this job, some outstanding things going back. And around a specific commitment, I've got a secondary vendor joint check requirement. And I've then got lien waivers, an unconditional partial lien waiver. All right. And then for secondary vendors, I've got other issues going on. So I've got a nice report telling me what's going on. So I don't have to recreate this stuff in Excel. That's the main thing. And then when it comes to telling the system that this information has been received, I've got a couple of ways that I can do that. One way is that, for instance, in accounts payable, I can go down to subcontractor compliance management. And now here I have a list for this particular job that I'm in. And there are 4 areas I can be in: miscellaneous, insurance, certified reporting, or lien waivers. And something that a lot of people don't know is I can actually then click on the vendor. If a certain vendor sent me in a variety of things, I can hold down my control key, and I can highlight a variety of things at once. And I can say, receive all of these at once. That can be a real time saver. Also, then I can click on the attachment and attach those documents, all right? And they're basically then cleared off the list. That can be a very time-saving little tip and trick there to help you out. Also, as you know, you can set up your compliance, or many of you do. We run into clients on Sage. However, if you forgot to set up your vendor, which, human beings are going to make human error, it's not really intuitive. You can actually add a compliance item by clicking on the last blank row and starting to type in that compliance item for that vendor, for that job. So little tips like this that go a long way to save you and your team time and money to be more efficient and effective in your system. This is just one example of the many tips and tricks we're going to show you this Thursday and Friday. Let me think about this. April 30th and May the 1st at the OnPoint Online Sage User Conference. What we're doing is it's a free conference for the many Sage users that we've helped over the last 30 years. It's our way of giving back. Whether you're an active customer of ours or not makes absolutely no difference. We're here to help. It's a time when we all need to help each other. We're going to have the same presenters that you're used to seeing at the Tug and other Timberline and Sage conferences over the last 25-30 years. We've chosen topics that are very specific to helping construction companies with issues that helped companies survive and even thrive during the last downturn. So this is very targeted to helping you and what helped the last downturn, and we also want to hear what you need today. So please join us. Check this out. You can get more information here at onpoint-software.com www.onpoint.com/spring20. We'll show you more about subcontractor compliance and many, many more tips and tricks to help you be more efficient with your software so that you and the rest of your team can focus on the more important things to help your company survive and even thrive through the next downturn. Thank you. Appreciate you listening to me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.